Hey guys, Evan with Evan's Landscape here. Just wanted to do a quick video of what we have here. We're stepping up our YouTube game a little bit and figured we would move away from doing the vlog style videos on a GoPro Hero 5 to this Canon G7X Mark II that we just got. So, quick unboxing video. This is what the box looks like when you get it. Pretty sweet looking box. Anyway, it gives the contents right along the side. So what we'll have in here is, of course, the camera, everything listed down there. We got a tripod, we got an extra battery, and an extra memory card right there. So let's open it up and see what we have. So in here, of course, we have our bubble wrap, which is terrifically fun to pop, if you can pop them. There we go. Ooh, more bubble wrap. That's necessary. So we have our memory card there. We have the tripod. We have, well, our cute little spare battery. Canon. So that's nice. It's not an off-brand, of course, because it comes with the Canon. And here's the camera. So this will be super dope. This will be looking good. We're about to step up our game with this whole stuff here. So let's get into this box. See if we can open it somehow. Here we are. Oh, that's kind of fancy. A bunch of warranty information. Let's get this out of the way. A lot of papers, owner's manuals, and everything. A lot of different things. Okay, sweet. We do have the charger in here for the batteries. Another battery. Little strap, wrist strap. And the magical moment. And voila. There she is. The Canon G7X Mark II. This will be good. So what I plan on doing is, I've heard the audio is pretty bad on these. But of course I did end up going with this camera anyhow. But what I've heard is a good thing to do is take some like dead cat type fabric and put it around here, kind of glue it on right above these microphones right on the top there, and it'll help kind of act as a dead cat, and it'll act as to cut down on the wind noise. So I'm thinking that's what I'll do. And man, this camera looks pretty sweet. Little red accents right up in here. And this is just a good camera. I think it's going to be pretty cool. Going to be able to step up our YouTube game coming soon.